In 1982, an old man in Ohio put a small wooden sign outside his garage. Mowers fixed here. No website, no ads, no business coach. Just a dirty workbench, a few tools, and neighbors with lawnmowers that would not start. By the end of summer, that little garage was earning more than some full-time jobs. That was old America's kind of hustle. Quiet, practical, useful. Number 14 was once one of the first businesses immigrants opened in American cities. Number 7 still works in almost every neighborhood. And number 3 is so simple, it is almost embarrassing that people forgot it. These are 15 forgotten American hustles that still make money today. Number 15. Small engine repair. Lawnmowers, chainsaws, snowblowers, and tillers break every year. Most problems are simple. Old fuel, dirty carburetor, bad spark plug, loose cable. Years ago, every town had a garage guy who could bring dead machines back to life. Today, fewer people know how. That means the person who can fix small engines still has customers waiting. A broken mower is not junk. To the right person, it is income. Number 14. Shoe repair. Americans used to repair shoes instead of throwing them away. Boots got new soles. Heels got replaced. Leather got stitched and polished. Then cheap shoes made repair feel old-fashioned. But good shoes never went away. Work boots, cowboy boots, leather dress shoes, designer heels, and military boots are expensive. People will pay to save them. A cobbler does not just repair shoes. He saves people from buying new ones. Number 13. Fence repair. Every neighborhood has leaning fences, broken gates, and missing boards. Big contractors often ignore small jobs. They want full installations. That leaves money for someone local with basic tools, a truck, and the patience to fix what others avoid. One post. One gate. 6 broken boards. Small problem for you, big relief for the homeowner. That is where the money is. Number 12. Sewing alterations. There was a time when sewing was normal. Pants were hemmed. Buttons were replaced. Torn seams were fixed. Now many people cannot even sew a button back on. But clothing still needs work. Wedding dresses, uniforms, jackets, curtains, school clothes, and last-minute repairs all create demand. A sewing machine in a spare room can still bring steady cash. Your grandmother called it mending. Today, it is a service business. Number 11. Gutter cleaning. Nobody gets excited about cleaning gutters. That is exactly why it pays. Leaves fall. Water backs up. Basements leak. Homeowners delay it because ladders feel risky and the job is messy. A person with a ladder, gloves, bucket, and reliability can earn seasonal money every spring and fall. And the best part? The same gutters fill up again next year. Number 10. Bicycle repair. Bikes never really disappeared. Kids ride them. College students use them. Delivery workers depend on them. Adults buy them for fitness. But flat tires, loose brakes, and broken chains still happen. A simple tune-up can bring real money because most people do not know how to do it themselves. The bike is simple. The skill is rare. That gap is the hustle. Here is where things get interesting. The first hustles were about fixing things people already owned. But old America also knew how to make money from boring neighborhood problems. Not glamorous problems, real ones. The kind people pay to make disappear. Number 9. Painting touch-ups. A whole house paint job is expensive, but small touch-ups are everywhere. Scuffed walls, rental move-outs, front doors, porch rails, baseboards, garage trim. Big painting companies often overcharge for these tiny jobs. A local person with a brush, drop cloth, ladder, and steady hand can win easily. The paint is cheap. The trust is what pays. Number 8. Furniture repair. Older Americans did not throw away a chair because one leg came loose. They fixed it. Tables were sanded. Drawers were repaired, rocking chairs were glued, dressers were restored. Cheap furniture made people forget this skill. But real wood is still valuable. A broken yard sale dresser can become a profitable resale piece. A family chair can be worth saving because memory has no price tag. Number 7. Seasonal yard cleanups. Every fall, yards turn into work. Leaves pile up, branches fall, flower beds die, storms leave messes behind. Homeowners look at it for weeks. Then they finally pay someone. Raking, trimming, hauling branches, and cleaning beds can still make strong local money. The beauty of this hustle is simple. The same yards need help every year. Number 6. Screen repair. Torn window screens are everywhere. Cats rip them. Kids damage them. Patio doors tear. Mosquitoes get in. Most people think they need a full replacement. Often they only need new mesh. With screen mesh, spline, a roller tool, and patience, this can be done from a garage or mobile setup. It is boring. That is why most people ignore it. That is also why it pays. Number 5. Rental property cleaning. Landlords need one thing fast. Clean units. When tenants leave, somebody has to scrub kitchens, clean bathrooms, remove trash, wipe cabinets, and make the place livable again. Now add Airbnbs, college rentals, small offices, and apartment turnovers. Cleaning is one of America's oldest cash businesses because dirt always comes back. Show up on time. Do the job right. People will call again. Number 4. Tool rental from home. Old neighborhoods understood this. Not everyone needed to own a cement mixer, ladder, pressure washer, tile cutter, generator, or trailer. They just needed to use it for one day. If you own useful tools, they can earn money while sitting in your garage. Hardware stores built entire rental departments from this idea. But the local version still works. A tool sitting idle is wasted money. A tool rented out becomes income. Now here is what modern hustle culture gets wrong. It tells people to chase attention. Go viral. Build a brand. Post every day. Old America chased usefulness. The mower guy did not need followers. The sewing lady did not need a logo. The handyman did not need a funnel. They had skills people needed. And people paid. Number 3. Knife and tool sharpening. Every kitchen has dull knives. Every gardener has dull shears. Every barber, cook, butcher, and landscaper needs sharp tools. For generations, sharpeners made money with a simple promise. Bring me something dull, I will make it sharp again. That is still powerful today. A small sharpening setup can work from a garage, van, farmer's market booth, or local route. The customer feels the result immediately. That is why they remember you. Number 2. Firewood bundles. Firewood used to mean survival. Families cut, split, stacked, and sold it because heat mattered. Today, people buy it for camping, cabins, backyard fire pits, and wood stoves. Small dry bundles near campgrounds, gas stations, roadside stands, or rural routes can sell steadily in the right season. Old America sold cords. Modern America buys convenience. Same wood, different packaging. Number 1. The Neighborhood Handyman. This is the king of forgotten hustles. Loose doorknobs, leaky faucets, broken hinges, drywall dents, running toilets, crooked shelves, mailbox posts, small jobs too tiny for contractors, but too annoying for homeowners to ignore. Every neighborhood is full of them. A handyman needs tools, honesty, patience, and the ability to return phone calls. That last part alone is rare now. He does not just sell labor, he sells relief. And that is why this hustle never truly died. It only waited for America to need practical people again. The old hustles were never magic. They were simple. Notice a problem, learn a skill, help your neighbors, get paid. Somewhere along the way, people started believing money had to come from apps, offices, followers, or algorithms. But your grandparents knew better. A garage could be a business. A kitchen table could be a workshop. A pickup truck could be a company, and a useful skill could feed a family. The money is still there, in broken fences, dirty gutters, dull knives, loose hinges, torn screens, and machines that will not start. The question is not whether these hustles still work. The question is whether anyone is still willing to do them. Comment below. Which old school hustle would still work in your town today?